Hello again fellow diecast collectors, welcome to another episode of Studio 64. And in this episode, we'll be featuring a new Pagani tooling from Mini GT. The Pagani Zonda HP Barchetta. This, I believe, is the second brand to come out with this model. The first being LCD model, which unfortunately I do not have on hand to compare it with. Nonetheless, Mini GT has come out with very nice Pagani toolings in the past, so I guess this would be a nice tooling as well. Packaging is your standard Mini GT box. For the Asian market, that is. And being a Mini GT, you can be assured that their diecast model is an official licensed product. With this particular diecast as a Pagani licensed model. A few fun facts about this hypercar. This model was unveiled back in 2017, at the Pebble Beach Concours d'Elegance. It was actually built as a present to Horacio Pagani, the company's founder, for his 60th birthday, as well as to commemorate the Zonda's 18th anniversary. Oh, and the price tag on one of these beauty is at $17 million. Only 3 units were made, with this blue variant exclusively allotted to Horacio Pagani himself. A black version, the number 3 car, was unfortunately crashed in Croatia, during a car show. As for car number 2? I can't seem to find info on it. If you have some details on the car, feel free to share on the comments below. Right out of the box I immediately noticed the level of detail on this model. Since this hypercar doesn't have a roof, the interior definitely gives that added detail apart from the body. This model sports a metallic blue paint, which has an acceptable proportion of the metallic flakes. The blue paint is complemented with carbon fiber finished components all around the car. Oh, and it also feels premium to the touch. Of course, being a Mini GT, we can expect it to roll. And for this copy of mine, it rolls smooth and straight. And as we go for a closer look, we see the level of detail done on this model. The rims are molded really nicely. Spokes are sharp and precise, with a center lug nut that has a blue accent. I also like the carbon fiber finish with the silver rivets on the fender flares, as well as the side skirts. I did notice though that the right side rims doesn't have the blue accent trims. It's a shame since it's a signature touch on certain Pagani models. The LCD model version has this detail. Headlights are painted silver, whilst the turn signals are painted amber. Oh, and there's even a projector lamp on the spoiler. Front bonnet details are clean and quite sharp. From the windscreen and wipers, to the carbon fiber details and vent cutouts. Side view mirrors are a bit fragile though, cause it's made of soft rubber. Moving to the interior, being an open cockpit, the interior detail is crucial. And quite challenging for 1/64 scale models. In here we have a cream interior, with blue accent trims. Seats even have a plaid design. Dashboard molding is decent, but I think the LCD model's version is better. Black and silver trims gives the added depth. One of the features that I like on this model is this engine bonnet, which includes this well-defined engine air intake, with the Italy colors pinstripe, the engine grille tampo graphics, the silver brackets, and the Zonda HP Barchetta badge. Moving to the rear end, it's very well put together, just like the one on the Zonda F, which we reviewed a while back. Lines are straight, which highlights the wide body design. Though like on the previous Pagani models, the tail lights are still painted on this Zonda HP. The carbon fiber detail is at least well applied. And the signature center quad exhaust is sharp and very distinct. Model has this metal base by the way. Not much detail on it except for the Mini GT logo. And there you have it. The Pagani Zonda HP Barchetta, metallic blue variant, the latest Pagani tooling from Mini GT. Though this would be Mini GT's first tooling of this model, I have to say, it's done pretty nicely. 1/64 hypercar diecasts that roll, are really quite tricky to pull off. Mainly because of the low stance of these cars. And for this model, I think Mini GT pulled it off. Added to the detailed, well-tooled body, I'll give this model a definite thumbs up. What do you guys think? Do leave your thoughts on the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, do hit that like button below, and also consider subscribing for more Studio 64 diecast videos. Till next time. Happy collecting.